What the hell? Upper three? That was the guy who touched me! No! Do something! Yo, don't touch my kid, bro. Bang, bang, bang. Arm sounds. What the fuck? So, you are kind of, like, really strong and all? No. Don't you just try to touch my kid, so no. Long silence. Oh, come on, that was the past. Just become a gooner. Ew, no. Tempting, but no. Oh, daddy angry, so he gonna have to become a pineapple. Fighting sounds. Well, damn, he's really fighting the guy who touched me. More fighting sounds. Well, bam, boom, kapow. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Guys, huh? Yeah. Get out of here! Go! No! No! Don't touch me! No! Owie! Ew! Why you touch me? Get out! Don't touch me and my brothers! I'm touching you. What the hell? What even is going on, bro? Who are you? There's a lot of fighting. I forgot about this. Well, bam! Rest in peace. Oh my, that's no! I'm tired of this, Grandpa. Well, that's too damn bad. Loud breathing. Goku, are you okay? You didn't get touched, did you? My mic got cut out. My bad. Okay. Fire sounds. You haven't seen me yet. You'll never touch me or my kid again. Fire breathing. Red Goku form. I forgot. The view is insane. Wow. Tanjiro gasp. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by like the end of the year, so please and thank you, and I'll post part 2 like tomorrow or later tonight. Thank you, bye bye.